Let it rain on some days. Let yourself shiver on some cold nights. So when it's spring, you will know it was all worth going through. The above quote closely resembles my journey in TTEC. From a teammate in 2011 who struggled to understand the product, who spent daily additional hours just to remain competent, to this point where I have been awarded as Spirit of TTEC. The journey is much unbelievable. If I look back, it is nothing but a miraculous journey with ups and downs, but with full of learning and development. I have been really fortunate to had work with an organization where I have had the opportunity to serve so many, deal with so many, and achieve so much never imagined, never did. Not just for me, but it is true for everyone that the work they do and the people we deal with affects the life of an individual. For me, this is very positive one. My role does not involve direct interaction with customers. All the TTEC employees I deal with are my customers. So in a way, by helping my customers, I am helping the customers indirectly. But let me tell you, this is not less in terms of customer satisfaction. It is a reciprocal relationship we do have. My contentment lies in the resolution of their problem. In my opinion, empowerment is the key to innovation. One needs to be trusted with the given task along with the space and the support. I have been fortunate to have received all this at TTEC and in abundance. I believe employment empowerment increases the level of involvement, raises the level of motivation, and on the top of that, it creates a deep sense of self-satisfaction. I would like to dedicate all my success at TTEC to the spirit of empowerment that exists within the organization. TTEC Ahmedabad has a very rich, diverse population with employees from 28 different states of India. If I had to put in a line, I would say helping is learning. Almost every connect you make with an employee at TTEC Ahmedabad is an enriching exposure to different linguistic, caste, socio-economic, and cultural diversity. It would not be wrong for me to say diversity has a major impact on my innovations during my journey in TTEC, and it has been a key to my success. Diversity teaches to appreciate different perspectives, and it is also equally true. Diversity builds better thinkers. A research shows we think harder about an issue when we are talking to a person or someone who is different than us.